Welcome everyone to the Get Real Real Estate channel, where we're going to show you 7 steps to help you get started in real estate investing and buy your first property. Step 1, knowing your why. Everyone knows the importance of having a why, but although everyone knows their why, most people do not have a real why. When we started, our why was simple. Our kids, otherwise known as family, the most common why. But what about family? What does investing in real estate and building wealth have to do with your family? Because when I was started investing in real estate for my family, I wasn't anywhere near my family. My why was to be a stay-at-home mom with my children, but my reality, I was working 20-hour days on real estate deals and never being available for them. And it took 2 years away from my family and facing financial ruin to realize this. My why was too general. A real why is specific and laser focused. It is easy to measure and refer to so you can see that you're on the right track. It can change and grow as you continue to change and grow and achieve. Ask yourself, why are you investing in real estate? And whatever answer comes to your head, write it down and then ask yourself, why is that important? At least 5 times. This simple exercise made my why crystal clear and helped me achieve some pretty amazing freedom goals. Step 2, match your why to your real estate strategy. There's hundreds of real estate strategies out there. Which one's the best for you? A great friend and colleague of mine, Jillian Irving, always says, you need to pick a strategy that fits with your life, not fights with your life. What everyone else is doing may not work for you, and that's okay. Here are some common whys paired with some real estate investing strategies that can help you get closer to your real estate investing goal. If you want to supplement job income, buy, rent, hold real estate, rent to own, flipping homes, or private lending could work. If you want to leave your job and replace your job income, flipping homes, wholesaling, assignments, rent to own, or multifamily investing. If you want to fund your retirement, buy, rent, hold, private market investments. If you want to fund your kids' education, buy, rent, hold, private market investments. And if you want to create a legacy for your family, buy, rent, hold. If you want to create a real estate business, you can do all the above. Figure out your why and select what investment strategy most appeals to you. Because the truth is, all of these strategies will require time and knowledge. And this is where a lot of people get stuck because they do not have the knowledge of how to get these things going, and they may not have the time it takes to learn these strategies as well as acquire, implement, and manage. There is a real estate investing myth that real estate is passive, but it's not. There are different types of activities in investing, and you need to decide at the start if you want to be a passive investor, an active investor, or both. If you're an active investor, you need the time and knowledge to find properties, implement strategies, and manage the deal. If you're a passive investor, you write a check and it's done for you. And if you're both, you may do some strategies by yourself and have others done for you. Decide now if you're going to be passive, active, or both. This decision alone will help you eliminate 50% of the confusion percolating in your brain. So be real. If you're already working a 12-hour day at a day job and have 6 kids that you're driving around every evening to various activities, do you really have the time to be a full-time householder? Or should you start with a more passive approach as you work towards specific freedom goals, such as creating income in real estate to help you not be entirely dependent on a demanding day job that leaves you with no time for you and your family? Or perhaps you just received a package after being laid off work and you have all the time in the world to focus on building your real estate business. Active strategies like the BRRRR and house living can be perfect opportunity for you. Step 3 is to figure out your financing. Next, you need to figure out your financing. This addresses the money problem so many people have that stops them from investing. You need to review your situation and ask yourself, what assets do you currently have? Cash, personal residence, other properties, job income? Do you have money? If so, how much? Do you not have money? Why? What can you do? How much cash do you have for a down payment? What are your current investments? What can you qualify for a mortgage? How can you leverage your existing assets? You may be richer than you think. And from a tax perspective, what strategies work best for you tax-wise? Should you incorporate or should you buy personally? Everyone's situation is going to be different, so you need to talk to a team of wealth professionals to help you figure this out. The first person you should talk to is a mortgage agent to help figure this out. But not just any mortgage agent. You need an investor-focused mortgage agent who can view your existing mortgages and assets and identify points of leverage. You need someone to pre-qualify you before you start looking at investments, and you need an investor mortgage agent that can create a mortgage plan so you do not become out-leveraged quickly and you're able to take advantage of investor-savvy tips like zero-impact mortgages. You also need an accountant, but not just any accountant. You need a real estate accountant to advise you on how to structure yourself so you do not lose all your wealth in taxes. And lastly, you need a private market specialist to educate you on options in regards to self-directing your registered funds. Once you have all of these professionals in place, you'll be having a better indication of how to move forward in regards to investing. So what if I don't have any money? For some people, this is a reality. They do not have money for a down payment, even after exploring all the assets with the financial team. And some people cannot qualify for a mortgage yet. If this is you, you have a few options. Number one, figure out how to get your finances in order so you can plan on how to save for a down payment and qualify for a property. 2, you could use alternative lending such as a private lender. 3, you could joint venture with a partner, but you must have the knowledge on how to implement and manage the investment. 4, we always quote the great Warren Buffett when we say, the best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you earn. So investing in your education while learning tactics and saving money can be a fantastic strategy. Step 4 is to find your focus. What strategy will you be investing in that makes most sense for you to help achieve your goal? It fits in your time schedule, your budget, and is suitable from a tax perspective. You need to pick one strategy and focus on it. Is it going to be buy, rent, hold? Flipping properties? Rent to own? What location? What price? And what are the returns? And do the returns help you reach your goal? By answering these questions, you're building your real estate model. And this model will guide you to help make sure you're laser focused and keep you on track to help you get closer to your investment goals. Once you have this information, you're ready for step 5, finding in properties to invest in. If you're an active investor, you need to start looking for deals that fit your criteria in regards to strategy, area, and price point. Look for properties on the realtor site, Kijiji or Craigslist. Make appointments and start walking properties. On-site learning is huge, and you'll learn a lot about your preferences when you actually do it. And if you're looking to invest passively, you need to be able to vet the investment products that you are looking to invest in or the experts who'll be managing the investment. At RPI Education, we have a variety of opportunities that we turnkey for our members and experts in place to help implement. But you have to take the time to learn and understand about the investments before you actually do it. After all, we want you to increase your financial literacy so you can be an active participant alongside your wealth team to monitor and grow your personal wealth goal. Step 6 is to build your real estate dream team. The next step is to build your team. Your team will depend on the strategy that you choose to pursue. Some important team members are real estate agents, mortgage agents, home inspectors, property managers, insurance agents, lawyers, accountants, and contractors. Here's some important criteria when building your dream team. For real estate agents, you want to have an investor agent who lives, works, and invests in the area. You want an agent that's willing to look at multiple properties on your behalf that fit your exact model and have a strong understanding of the numbers and will never let you overpay for a property. For mortgage brokers or agents, you need an investor-friendly mortgage agent who knows how to help you create a mortgage plan so you can utilize your existing assets and help you avoid hitting a financing wall. Property managers, if you're investing more than an hour from your home, you'll need a property manager. You need a home inspector who can provide accurate and authentic assessments and are available. A good home inspector will explain the report to you so you can make an informed decision, and also can walk properties for you to give you a general idea of the property if you're considering putting in an unconditional offer. Contractors and handymans, you would need a contractor in the area, are very important for maintenance or full renovations. Properties require different types of insurance, so you want an insurance broker that's familiar with different types of coverage. You also want a life insurance agent because you need to make sure you're insured and properly protected to protect your assets and plan your estate accordingly. Infinite banking is another concept you definitely want to incorporate into your wealth plan, as it could be an excellent way to borrow money in a tax-efficient manner and increase your net worth and estate, if it's done properly. You need a lawyer, but not just any lawyer, a real estate lawyer that can help you close the property as well as assist with the corporation setup and estate planning. And you need an accountant, that's a real estate accountant, to help advise you with tax implications. Your team of experts need to be your real estate dream team and will make your life so much easier. And we have a full roster of experts at the RPI Education that are ready to help you get started today. Step number 7 is to get a support network. We made it to step 7, which is probably the most important step and one that you should do at the beginning. Get a support network. In investing in real estate, your network is your net worth. You want to surround yourself with a community, with people who are doing what you want to be doing. It's important to take the time to educate yourself before investing and to seek mentorship to make sure you don't make mistakes. You also want a community that will support you as you continue to maintain and grow your investments. Wealth building never stops. Well, there you have it. And remember, you are not alone. Join RPI Education for our Wealth Immersion program to receive ongoing support on your investment journey and surround yourself with like-minded people. We are here to help. Visit www.rpieducation.com for more information and book your free discovery call. We hope this video helped, and if you like this video and want more videos like this, show us by giving us a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. And remember, keep it real.